What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you and I'm gonna show you how you can watch on your CBS account. So how to basically watch CBS on your connected devices, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So it's easy to stream CBS shows on your connected devices. Just make sure you're using a supported device. So supported devices are Apple TV HD or 4K, Android TV and Fire TV, and also Roku, and follow the instructions which I'm gonna give you right now. So what you need to keep in mind is basically when you download and open the CBS app on your device, select watch free episodes. You'll be taken to the home screen. Select any show that does not display a lock icon. Lock icon means that the show is only available to stream with TV provider or Paramount Plus subscription. If you select a show with a lock icon, you'll be prompted to either sign in with your TV provider info or sign up for Paramount Plus. So to watch full current seasons and your local CBS station live, what you need to do is download and open the CBS app on your device and select sign in with TV provider. You'll be taken to a screen with instructions to enter an activation code on your computer or mobile web browser. Once you enter the code, return to your device and the screen will now display a list of TV providers. And of course you need to select your respected provider, sign in with your TV provider username and password, and of course select device screen will refresh, and you can now start streaming your favorite CBS show. So guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to watch something on your CBS connected devices. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.